Hi guys, my name is Stephanie and I'm back with another video. Today's just going to be a quick fix on how to unclog a vacuum hose in under a minute. Whether your vacuum hose is full of hair, you've sucked up a sock, or your kid has sucked up something into your vacuum hose, this is going to work for almost everybody. But before we get started, I want to point out that I just made a video about how to completely clean your vacuum, replace the filters, and give it a really good deep clean. So if you have lost suction and unclogging your vacuum hose does not fix that problem for you, watch that other video because it's going to make your vacuum work like it did when you first bought it. Once you give it a really good deep clean, it's going to fix almost any problem a vacuum can have. All right, here's my fix for how to unclog a vacuum hose. All you need to do is grab a broomstick or something with a similar handle to push it through that vacuum hose. That's going to help you push whatever is clogging your hose right through that vacuum hose. Make sure that you're pushing out through the largest opening on your hose. One side of mine is definitely bigger than the other. I want to push out towards that bigger opening so that the clog can easily pass through there. Share in the comments what was stuck in your vacuum hose. We want to hear whether it's gross or funny, whatever. Put it in the comments so we can all have a laugh. All right, good luck, guys.